Service level agreements, abbreviated as SLA in Distribution Engine, are used to notify Distribution Engine team members of missed targets or to enforce response time metrics, such as time to action. These SLAs can notify your team when they miss these targets, or you can use them to automatically reassign records when conditions are met. You'll find these by clicking the Tracking and SLAs option on the left-hand menu of any team on the Distribution Teams tab. Once in the Tracking and SLAs section, scroll down to where it says SLA. The toggle option here will enable the feature and display a couple of options. First, you'll define which distribution hours to respect. If Team and Member is selected, Distribution Engine will calculate the time since assignment based on both the team and team member distribution hours. If Team only is selected, Distribution Engine will calculate the time since assignment based on only the team distribution hours. Any individual team member hours will not be included. If none is selected, the calculation for the time since assignment will be in real time. Next up is the option between Time Checkpoint and Continuous Field Monitoring. Time Checkpoint SLAs are the standard way of performing SLA checks. Checkpoints are set at fixed times after assignment to verify the value of a field. These checkpoints are the criteria for a missed SLA. Continuous Field Monitoring SLAs will continuously evaluate a field for a particular value for a set amount of time. If at any point the evaluation is true, the SLA will be considered missed. This method is useful if you already have an established SLA process and want to leverage that existing process with Distribution Engine features. This video will cover Time Checkpoint SLAs, so choose that option for alert type. There can be up to 3 SLAs per team, and these must be entered in chronological order, the shortest time at the top. As an example, if a lead has been assigned for more than 30 minutes and the status still equals new, an email could be sent to the team member to remind them that they have a lead they need to respond to. Click Save to commit any changes. At the top of this page, there is a second tab labeled Distributor Level. Click to this tab, and it will display a list of distributors on the team. Clicking on each distributor's line will pop out a menu on the right. To have a distributor observe the SLAs, the toggle for SLA must be enabled. The next option is whether Auto Reassign is enabled. This will be covered in a later video. You can see the count of assigned records that have missed their SLA from the Distribution Console tab. Choose today's distributions on the left. The SLA Alerts column on this page will indicate if there are any active SLA alerts. The individual records that are in alert can be seen on the Distribution Logs page. Select SLA Alert from the Status drop-down and click Refresh. Your users can see the records that Distribution Engine has assigned to them on the Distribution Engine widget if the widget has been added to their homepage or Lightning console. The Assigned to Me section shows 5 records that have been assigned to the user via Distribution Engine. This list can be sorted by the user to show the oldest, the newest, or those with the shortest remaining SLA time. Clicking Assign to Me shows all assignments to the user from Distribution Engine. Once the SLAs are configured, email notifications can be sent and records can automatically be reassigned based on the missed SLAs. We have knowledge base articles and videos that cover how to customize those email notifications and how to use these in reassignment.